Good afternoon. So we've just finished our training session on Excel and Outlook. So the gentleman in front of you, his name is?
Ronald Roy.
And you work for?
All Trading States.
And what's your position?
Currently is a mechanical fitter, but prior to that I was a team leader / supervisor.
So you're now working in more supervision roles, is that right?
Yes, I've been in some intense, supervision roles for some years now, but I'm finding that the quality of the work is not more hands-on and people-related. It's getting towards computer end of things, and the IT skills need to be brushed, especially in my case, where the computer was the tool that I needed to learn how to use at its capacity.
So you found me online, and what made you book in?
I found over online. It was just by coincidence. To be honest, I was going on another path, but after having a conversation with yourself, I found that it suited me because it was one-on-one, not in a classroom where someone might be scared to ask a question, might seem silly, or that this was one-on-one. It was really, really good. And the main selling point for me was that I was able to fit in with my schedule, so as for today, Friday, we usually finish work at 1 o'clock, and I was able to come straight after work, fit in and do the learning and go home and have the rest of the weekend off without taking any time off work, which was, from a company's point, a win-win situation as well.
Yeah, how did you find the training experience?
I found the training experience, for me personally, it really expanded my understanding and knowledge. And this was just a basic training, but however, I found it very, very useful because most of the stuff that we use, Excel, Word will be the next one, and Outlook is just the basic things that we really need to learn, and I found it very, very helpful, and I'll be using it for sure.
Well, thank you very much. I really enjoyed teaching you.
Yeah, thank you.